No matter how old you are now, you are never too young or too old for success or going after what you want. Age is just a number. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will solve about age problem involving a single person, two person, and three person. The first question is involving the single person. 6 years ago, Lorna's age was half of the age she will be in 10 years. How old is she now? Now here is our solution. We tabulate the past, present, and future age of Lorna. Now we let the present age of Lorna as L. Of course, 6 years ago, so it will be L minus 6, the past age. And future is, because it will be in 10 years, so L plus 10. Now, we can make an equation base dito sa problem na to. 6 years ago, so 6 years ago, Lorna's age, L minus 6 is equal to half of the age she will be in 10 years. So, half of the age she will be in 10 years. In 10 years, her age is L plus 10. Therefore, L minus 6 is equal to L over 2 plus 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Simplifying all this one, Lorna's age therefore is equal to 22 years old. Another problem involves two persons. Lisa is 4 times as old as Ras. 9 years from now, Lisa will be thrice as old as Ras. How old is Ras? Now, here is our solution. As usual, mas maganda talaga itabulate yung ages nila, past, present, and future. Kung meron man present dito, meron man dito past, present, and future. Now, dito, sulat natin si Lisa at saka si Ras. Past, wala dito sa problem, walang past. Present and future lang pinag-usapan dyan. So, as usual, is-distinct natin ang age nila, present age nila as for Lisa as L and Ras R. Now, how to make an equations? Of course, the future, because it is written here as 9 years from now. So, 9 years from now, that means ang age nila is L plus 9 for Lisa and Ras is R plus 9. So, to formulate an equations, it is written here as Lisa is 4 times as old as Ras. So, Lisa is equal to 4 times Ras. 4 times as old as Ras. So, meron na tayong equation 1. Now, the second sentence, 9 years from now, Lisa will be twice as old as Ras. So, 9 years from now, ang mga edad nila is ito. So, Lisa's age will be L plus 9 is equal to thrice as old as Ras. So, in the future, Ras' age is R plus 9. So, thrice as old as Ras. So, 3 times the Ras' age 9 years from now, which is R plus 9. So, we have equation 2. Therefore, from equation 1, we can substitute the value of L from equation 1. So, L plus 9 is equal to 3 times R plus 9. Therefore, substituting the value of L, which is equal to 4R, 4R plus 9 is equal to 3R plus 27. 3 times R is 3R, 3 times 9 is 27. Now, combining like terms, 4R minus 3R is equal to 27 minus 9. R, therefore, is equal to 18 years old. So, that is the age of Ras, the present age, which is equal to 18 years old. Another age problem that involves 3 persons. Summer is 4 less than twice Floor's age. 5 years from now, Mima will be 3 more than thrice Floor's age. 6 years ago, Mima was 4 times Floor's age. How old was Summer 6 years ago? So, hinahanap natin ang age ni Summer 6 years ago. That is the past years. So, here, tinatabilit natin yung past, present, at future ages ng tatlong tao ni Summer, Flor, and Mima. Now, here, it is written here that 5 years from now, so 5 years from now, that means ang future age nila, that is future, Summer is plus 5, Flor is plus 5, and Mima is 5 plus 5. And then, another statement here, 6 years ago, so 6 years ago, that means the past. So, ang mga edad nila is minus 6. Summer minus 6, Flor minus 6, and Mima minus 6. So, di ba madali intindihin yan? Andyan na yung past, present, and future ages nila. Now, dito, ang hahanapin na naman natin, ang formula base sa mga statement dito sa question. Now, here, Summer is 4 less than thrice Flor's age. No, that is the present. So, Summer is equal to thrice Flor's age and 4 less. That means minus 4. So, ayan na, meron tayong equation 1. Another one, 5 years from now, so 5 years from now, so Mima will be 3 more than thrice Flor's age. So, ang edad ni Mima at saka si Flor, 5 years from now is M plus 5 and Flor is F plus 5. Therefore, M plus 5 is equal to thrice, they said here thrice Flor's age, 5 years from now, which is F plus 5, and 3 more than, that means plus 3. So, simplifying this one, M plus 5 is equal to 3F plus 3 times 5 is 15 plus 3. M, therefore, is equal to 3F plus 13. So, meron na tayong equation 2. Now, another statement here, 6 years ago, Mima was 4 times Flor's age. 6 years ago, that means past. So, Mima is M minus 6 and Flor, of course, is F minus 6. So, it is written here that 6 years ago, Mima was 4 times Flor's age. So, 4 times Flor's age, 6 years ago, which is F minus 6. Simplifying this one, M minus 6 is equal to 4 times F, which is 40F, and 4 times minus 6 is equal to minus 24. M, therefore, is equal to 4F minus 18. So, meron na tayong equation 3. Now, dito, meron tayo sa equation 2 and equation 3, M and M. So, we can equate these two equations. Therefore, from this side, which is 3M plus 13, is equal to this side, which is 4F minus 18. Kasi M is equal to M. So, ini-equate natin yung value. F, therefore, after simplifying this one, F, therefore, is equal to 31 years old. Yan ang present age ni Flor. Now, ngayon, dahil ang hinahanap natin is the age of Summer, 6 years ago. Of course, bago natin ma-solve yung age niya 6 years ago, i-solve muna natin ang present age niya. So, from equation 1, which is 3F minus 4, pwede na natin yung gamitin kasi meron na tayong value na 31. So, from the equation, S is equal to 3F minus 4, substituting the value of F, which is equal to 31. So, 3 times 31 is minus 4. This is 93 minus 4. Summer, therefore, is 89 years old. That is his present age. Now, ang question dito is how old was Summer 6 years ago? So, minus lang natin ng minus 6. So, S minus 6 is equal to the present age, which is 89, minus 6. That means 6 years ago, the age of Summer is equal to 83 years old. Last problem. Mother is 4 times the age of her son. if after 5 years she would be 3 times of son's age, then further after 5 years, how many times she would be of his son's age? Now dito, sa solusyon ko, tinatabulit ko na naman dito ang present at saka future kasi walang involved dito na past. So mother and son, present age is M and son is S. I designate it as M and S. Then the future, of course, because it is after 5 years, so M plus 5 and the son is equal to M plus 5. So, I make the equation based on this one. Mother is 4 times the age of her son. So, mother is 4 times the age of her son, which is 4 times S. This is equation 1. Now, another statement here, if after 5 years, she would be 3 times of son's age. After 5 years, so M plus 5, the age of the mother, is equal to 3 times the age of the son, which is S plus 5. Simplifying this one, therefore, is equal to, M is equal to 3 times the age of the son plus 10. Now, we can substitute this one. We can solve the S by substituting the value of M from the equation 1, which is equal to 4S. Therefore, 4S is equal to 3S plus 10. S, therefore, is equal to 10. That is the age, present age of the son. Now, of course, we can solve the age of the mother, the present age, which is equal to 4 times S, which is equal to 4 times 10. Therefore, the mother present age is 40. Then, that is the after 5 years, so further after years, na after 5 years, of course, after 5 years, the age of the mother will be 40 plus 5 is equal to 45, and the son is 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. But here, we total the number of years from the beginning, so 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So therefore, the age of the mother will be 40 plus 10, which is 50 years old, and the son is equal to 10 plus 10 years is equal to 20 years old. Now, the question here is how many times she would be of his son's age? Then how many times the mother be of his son's age? So, of course, the mother age is equal to the n, which is the number of times multiplied by the son age. Therefore, the age of the mother, which is equal to 50, that is after 10 years. Further after 5 years, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 years, is equal to 50, and is n times 20, which is the son's age, is 20. Therefore, the number of times the mother of his son's age is equal to 50 divided by 20 is equal to n is equal to 2.5 times. That is the answer.